What's up everybody, I'm Bryce with P&K Equipment, and today we're going to talk about some Frontier attachments. Here on our tractor we actually have set up a rear blade. Now folks, if you don't know what a rear blade is, basically this is one of the most versatile implements you can buy. It does everything from spread gravel on your driveway, you can even plow snow, and it'll even clean off cement pads in a feedlot. So very cool implement. It's very adjustable. There's a top pin on the side where you can swing your blade left and right to direct the material that you're going to be moving, as well as you can take the entire blade assembly and move it out to the side of each side of your tractor. Now these Frontier rear blades, they come in an assortment of sizes. This one is set up in a 60-inch configuration on this 3 Series tractor, but you can get them bigger, you can get them smaller. But if you have any more questions, stop by one of our local dealers. Folks, up next in our Frontier attachment series, we have the box blade. And if you've never used a box blade before, basically it is configured with a rear blade with some sides to make the box. And it actually has these rippers, or formerly known as scare fires, up front. But you take these rippers or teeth and you can adjust them up and down if you want to rip up the ground first, so you can come back over it with your blade to make it easier to level the loose ground. And folks, these box blades they come in a variety of sizes. They start out 48 inches wide. They do get wider for bigger tractors, and they're used on anything from doing normal dirt work all the way to the everyday leveling of driveways and fixing potholes. So very versatile implement. They're one of the most popular ones here at P&K, and if you have any more questions, stop by one of our local dealers. All right, folks, next on our list, we have the Frontier Rotary Cutter, also known as a brush hog. This is the 60-inch model set up on our 3 Series tractor, but folks, they come in all different sizes down to 48 inches, and they do get much bigger. And if you've never used a brush hog or a rotary cutter before, it is a very simple implement. All you have to do is hook up your 3-point, plug in your PTO, and there's just a switch you hit in your tractor to turn on the blades, and you're starting to mow. There's one simple adjustment on the tail wheel. You can drop it down if you want to adjust the tilt of your rotary cutter. But other than that, very simple but very effective implement. It's used on mowing larger areas, thicker vegetation, and you can even use it on roadsides. So, but if you have any more questions, stop by one of our local dealers. Next on our list of Frontier attachments, we have the Rotary Tiller. And folks, if you've never used a Rotary Tiller, the main function is to tear up the ground for any sort of dirt work projects or to build a large or small garden. And you know, it's a very easy implement to use. All you have to do is hook up your 3-point, hook up your PTO, and all you have to do is flip your PTO switch and you're off and tilling. So if you have any more questions on our Rotary Tillers, stop by one of our local dealers.